Hi everyone, welcome to Coach Calculus channel. In this particular video, we'll be looking at factorization of perfect squares, and we'll consider the following questions. Factorize the following expressions. So we'll have 1 to question number 6. So follow me to the end so that you will get the actual method to resolve this. And if you are new to this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for a solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate this channel again. Let's dive in. Solution number 1. The number 1 there we have p square minus 16 minus 16p plus 64. So the next step here is to recognize the perfect squares, and our perfect squares here are 12p square and 64, which can be written as 8 square. 64, which can be written as 8 square. And the next step is to check if twice the product of the perfect squares is equal to the middle term. That is, if minus 2 times p, this is the dot product. We normally use it also for multiplication. Call it dot product. So we have minus 2 times p times this p now times 8. Minus 2 times p, that is minus 2p, minus 2p times 8, that is minus 16p, minus 16p. So twice the product of the perfect squares is equal to this, which is the middle term. Therefore, we can conclude here that the expression p square minus 16p plus 64 is written as p minus 8 square. P minus 8 square. So this is the result to factorize this expression. For the number 2, we have 16 minus 8x plus x square. So the first step here is to recognize the perfect squares. The perfect squares, which is 16, which can be expressed as 4 square and x square. So these are the perfect squares. Then step 2 is to check the middle term. If twice the product of the perfect squares can give you this, that is minus 2 times 4, which is this now, times x. Remember, this x now can also be put in the bracket like this. These terms can be put in the bracket so that you know that we're actually using this one and this one here. So if you multiply all this, minus 2 times 4, that is minus 8. Minus 8 times x, that is minus 8x. So the twice the product of the perfect squares is equal to the middle term. Therefore, Therefore 16 minus 8x plus x square can be written as 4 minus x and then square. So this expression is factorized, and this is the final answer for it. For the number 3, we have 9 over 16 minus 3 over 2 and then x plus x square. So this is the expression. So the first step here is to recognize the perfect squares, which is this and this. So we have perfect square, which is 9 over 16 can be expressed as 3 over 4 closed bracket square and x square. So these are the perfect squares. And then the next step is to check the middle term. If twice the product of the perfect squares can give us this middle term. So minus 2 times 3 over 4 times x is equal to, here 2 we cancel 2, we now have 3 over 2. So our answer will be minus 3 over 2x, which is equal to the middle term here. Therefore, we can conclude that the expression 9 over 16 minus 3 over 2x plus x square is equal to, open bracket, 3 over 4 minus 3 over 4 minus x square x square. So this expression can be factorized into this. Also the number 4, we have 1 minus 2a over 3 plus a square over 9. The first step here is to recognize the perfect squares, which are 1 can still be written as 1 square and a square over 9. A square over 9 can be written as a over 3 square. So these are the perfect squares. Then we check the middle term. If twice the product of the perfect squares can give us the value of the middle term, so we are going to do minus 2 times a over 3 times 1 minus 2 times this, that will give us 2a over 3 times 1. So it's going to give us minus 2a over 3 minus 2a over 3. So the twice their product is equal to minus 2a over 3, which is the middle term. So therefore the expression 1 minus 2a over 3 plus a square over 9 is equal to open bracket 1 minus 2a over 3 1 minus 2a over 3 square when factorized. So this is the answer to number 4. So number 5, for the number 5, we have 4x squared minus 20xy plus 25 and 5y squared. So the first step here is to identify or recognize the perfect squares, and the perfect squares are 4x squared, which can be written as 2x and bracket square, and 25y square, which can be written as 5y in bracket square. And then our next step here is to check the middle terms. Minus 2 times this 2x times 5y times 5y 2 times 2 times minus 2 times 2x, that is minus 4x times 5y, that is minus 20xy. So this is the value, and which is equal to the middle term here. Since this is correct, therefore the expression 4x squared minus 20xy plus 25y squared is equal to open bracket 2x minus 5y close bracket square. So this expression can be factorized into this one here, and that is the answer to number 5. And finally the number 6. We have a square plus 49 b square minus 14ab. Now this one, the very first step is to rearrange the expression, because this middle one have to be here, while the actual one that was supposed to be in the middle have to come to the middle. So we have a square minus 14ab plus 49b square. So this expression has been rearranged. So the next step here now is to identify or recognize the perfect squares, which are this and this. So we have perfect square. One of them is a square, which is equal to a in bracket square, and this 49b square, which is equal to 7b square. So, and the next step here is to check the middle terms. If twice the product of the perfect squares can be equal to this middle term here. So minus 2 times a times 7b is equal to minus 2 times a, that is minus 2a times 7b, that is minus 14ab. That is minus 14ab, which is actually equal to this particular term in the middle here. Therefore, the expression a square minus 14ab plus 49b square is equal to, open bracket, a minus 7b square. So this expression has been factorized into this. Now the reason why we are using minus here for all the questions is because each of the middle terms I've been trying to check, they all have negative, that is minus, in their front. That is the reason why we are putting minus there. Had it been there is no minus, if it is plus, then this minus will not be here. So I have come to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you do well to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that when next you are looking for solution to your mathematical problems, you can easily locate this channel again. Thank you.